Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part is a 129 Laravel 11 product UI pagination problem with database tutorial. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is available. This is a product card. This is a product card. Click this product card, and this is a table is available. Product card table is available. Inside this 3 record is available. And this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project directory is already open. This my sublime text same name is available inside same name. Let's this directory inside cmd open. Successfully this directory inside this command prompt is open. Let's run php artisan server and enter. This is a command. This URL is the copy, and this is a copy. Simple in this URL is a copy. This URL is a copy, and hit this browser. Successfully this is a URL is a paste here. Working fine. Please wait. This is a URL successfully good working. Let's admin login. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Please wait. This is a successfully login. Let's product card. This is a menu, and this is a same table is available. Let's click this product card. Inside this is a not available pagination. Inside this pagination is a implementation step by step. First of all, this URL is a copy. This URL is a copy, and route inside this is a folder. This folder route inside this web.php is available, and this is the same here available admin product card. This is the name same admin product card is available inside this product card controller, and this is the function is available admin product card. This is the admin product card controller open, and this is a product card control successfully available, and this is a admin product card is available. The same name. This is the same name is a function is available. Let's step by step. This is a file is open admin product card list. This first of all admin folder available admin open, and this is a product card, and this is a list file. This is a list file is available. Open this list file. This same file is available. Add product card. This is the name is available. Add product card name, description, image. This is all is available. This data is a get. Inside this pagination is not available. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Save file, and refresh this page. Inside this show. Successfully show good working. This is a fine. Successfully good working. Let's remove this not use. Save file and refresh this page, and this is a remove. This is a good. Let's first of all this is the data get is same here. Data is a get. Inside this different way is a comment this, otherwise copy, same copy and paste here, and this step by step implementation. Inside this is a change order by ID descending, otherwise ascending. $get record. This is the same name is $get record is equal to again this paste here $get record and paginate only paginate set, and this is a 40. Save file. $data same name is a copy and paste here is equal to this same copy and paste here, and this is a sense. This is a not use. This not use. This remove. Successfully all good. Let's save file, and this is a 1 2 3 record is a show. This is a 1 2 3 record is a show. Let's refresh this page. This is a 1 2 3 as it is a record show. This is a 1 2 3. Let's ascending 1 2 3 and this descending order 3 2 and 1. Let's descending. This is a descending order set. This is a descending paling, my mistake. And this descending paling. This is a descending, and this is a refresh this page, and this is a 3 2 and 1. Refresh this page successfully change. This is a descending order. This different way inside this as it is working 1 2 3. This is descending 1 2 3. New latest record is a top bar, and let's control Z as it is ascending save file and refresh this page again as it is changed. This is 1 2 3. Good working. This is a pagination is set, but this is a inside this is a implementation. This is a get record is available, same get record, and this is a get record is available for a loop, and inside this pagination is a link is a implementation get record. Please write down this is a link. Please write down get record, same here inside this is available get record save file. Let's refresh this page. Pagination is not a show inside this 3 record, and this is a record is available. This record is a 40. Let's inside this 2 record after pagination show. Let's save file 2 record, and this 1 record is the next page. Only 2 record is a show. Let's refresh this page, and this is a pagination is a good, but this is a UI is a not a good. This is UI not a good. Let's implementation. This is a UI. This UI pagination is a not a good. Let's implementation. This is a provider inside this app service provider open. Inside this is available boost inside this simple way pagination is a implement. This is a implementation paginator. This paginator is a implementation, and this pagination user bootstrap. This is only simple way. This is the only implementation. This is a not use. This not use. This not use. Only this pagination is only use. This not use. This is the only as it is saved. This is a u only implementation, not this. Only u as implementation inside this implementation. Let's save all save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a pagination is a good. 1 2 is available and 3 number is available. Second page is available. Good working. Let's new record is a create add record, and this is a 2 in this inside this 2 record is a get. Let's new record is implementation out solved, and this is the image is a select. This is the image select, and this price 7 5 and submit. Successfully 1 2 record is available. Second page is available. This is a record is available. 2 record 3 and 4. This is 3 and 4. This is a new record is a create. This is a pagination is a good only 2. Let's new record is a create inside this 3 record. 3 pagination inside this show. Welcome. Done. And this pagination is a submit. This is a select, and this is a 60 and submit, and this is a successfully pagination is a implementation. This 2 record, second page is available 2 record, and third page is available only 1 record. This second page over 2 record, and last third page is available only 1 record. Good working. This is a pagination is a successfully working fine. Inside this implementation, this is a 2. Inside let's check this 4 save file. This 4 after pagination is a show. This 4 record is available, and this is a 1 record inside this show. This is a successfully show only 1 record. Good working. This is a 1 record is inside this show, and this pagination inside this 1 or 1 your mind out, and this is a record is a show. This is a 20 record, and this pagination is automatically hide. 20 record after automatically pagination is show. This is not available. Only 5 record is available. 20 record automatically pagination is a show, otherwise not a show. Good working. This latest entry inside this descending ascending order. Any doubt your mind to my contact this error solution code website. In this is a 24 is a available WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. Anytime contact. And this is a my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all website. This is error solution Facebook page, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.